Have a go at this. F of x equals 8x, where x is raised to the power 7 over 4. Show f prime equals 14 multiplied by the fourth root of x to the 3. This little 4 tells us it's the fourth root. I'll move on to show the solution to this. We need to be aware of the following. If you have x raised to the power m over n, this can be written as x to the m raised to the power 1 over n, which can go on to be shown to be the nth root of x to the m. We start off with f of x equals 8x raised to the power 7 over 4. So we have f prime will equal, we bring the power to here and we use that to multiply. To quickly recap, we bring this power to here and then we multiply the 8x, 7 to the 4, and we subtract 1 from the 7 to the 4 power. We now perform this calculation. 7 times 8 is 56, which is all divided by 4, so we get 14 from this calculation. So we can go on to say that f prime equals 14 x to the power 3/4. Of course, 7 over 4 minus 1 is 3/4. Now, x to the 3/4 can be written as x to the power 3 raised to the 1/4, which in turn can be written down as the fourth root of x to the 3. And I was able to do this because of this that I introduced near the beginning of the video. So we can write out that f prime is going to equal 14 multiplying the fourth root of x to the 3.